Oh my god. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do excuse me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I can't take my mind off this guy. I'm sorry, man. Oh, let's do this again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Nice. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at market. We look at market performance. You know, everybody else been looking. They are ready to close shop, right? But anyways, it's their problem. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna look at market performance for the past 24 hours, and right after that, we check on prices on details, and after that, we check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, guys, I don't know. I don't understand. Okay, I don't understand. If you have your mindset, you have your brain cells programmed into what you want in this life, why are you so easily shaken? Why are you so easily shaken? I mean, you can tell somebody so many times, dude, Casper is gonna go up. Trust me on that one. You are going to make money short term and long term. I don't know about you. Me, I am gonna become a multi-millionaire with Casper, probably a billionaire as time go by. But you see people again. Price goes up, okay? Yay, Casper the bread, the best thing ever, blah blah blah. Correction happens. Oh crap, it's a stable coin. It's a stable coin. Even with the facts, I told you, once Casper went above that 5 cents, Casper is in an uptrend. Look at the charts. We have higher highs. Look at the charts. Not even your dear Bitcoin or your dear Crashilandia or the Hackylandia, not even the raccoon. That raccoon, not even that raccoon goes up in a straight line. It doesn't, and people still don't get it. I told you guys, to be a trader, you need that patience. I told you, 99.9% of the people on earth don't have that. They don't have that patience, that quality. That is why, if you look on the list of the rich people, not just rich, wealthy, billionaires, millionaires, there are not many. There are not many because a lot of people don't have that quality to be patient. I asked you guys the other day, okay, you expecting Casper to run? Under what circumstances? Because as far as I know, Casper has nothing on it yet. It's just a fast chain, and that's it. Medium, not even like USDT, USDC. No, we are only sending Casper to Casper. So how are you expecting Casper to run to 40 cents? Based on what? And you say this and you try to point people in the right way, and they still, because I told you, these crypto cycles, they have messed up a lot of people's brains. They have messed up a lot of people to the point of that you want to be rich, you want to be financially stable or financially free or a multi-millionaire or generational wealth, Whatever you're looking for is right in front of your nose, but because they are used to chasing green candles, they cannot see it. They cannot. They seriously cannot see it. I don't know what your strategy is. My strategy, the good thing about my channel is that I don't hide. I show it to you. Every 2 weeks, I buy Casper. I don't care about what the price is. Is it high? Is it low? Is it whatever I buy? Some days when I see a low price, I even buy it twice. Why? Because I know what I want. I know for a fact that sooner than later it's going to happen. As you can see right now, if you look at yesterday as the price was going down, there was a wallet number 14 was adding 40 million Kaspa coins. That right there is it's not somebody. I think it's institutions or maybe exchange or something. But them, instead of running to the hill like you was doing because the price is going down, they were buying. They were doing the same thing like me. I was buying Kaspa even as the price was going down. Because I posted it on my X account. I said, I already bought for my 2 week schedule, but the price is going down. You know what? I can't miss it. I got to buy. Why? Because I know what I want. I know for sure that this Casper is going to be the one to make me a multi-millionaire. It could even be a billionaire. This is how it usually starts. It usually starts like this. And you are going to see people today, like I was reading my comments, I was just like, oh my God. That's why it had me cracking all this time. It has me cracking. You want to make money short term, okay? Put price targets. Okay, this is I'm going to give you this another wink moment, okay? I don't normally teach people how to trade. Well, it's not going to be a teaching moment. It's going to be, how can we say it? A little wink, okay? Take it as you want. I'm not your financial advisor. For example, right now, Casper is sitting at what, 8.5 cents or something? If you want to make money, just a little money, I will open up a trade. I will scale it up to make sure that my liquidation is either at 5 cents or below 5 cents. That's what I will do. I don't know what amount you want to use, amount of money, but that's what I will do. Okay, if you want to stay safe, put a 10x leverage trade, long, scale it up. That way your liquidation is less than 5 cents or 4 cents, something like that. Then you set your take profits at 12 cents. Because I'm telling you, 12 cents is the major resistance, right? We're going to go up to 12 cents. Then you will decide if you want to break it, it will keep on going, or you can sit there, use that as the new support, and you will bounce on it. But at least you would have made a lot of money from where we are right now to 12 cents. Depends on how much money you're leveraging with. That, my friends, is what I mean. Okay? You can repeat the same thing when it breaks 12 cents, target 15 cents. You repeat the same thing when it breaks 15 cents, target 18 cents or 19 or all-time high. Because again, I'm telling you, Casper is about to go past all-time high, and these well buying activities, they are supporting my theory. And that is why myself, I am buying Casper. I don't care what the price is. A lot of people still don't get the magnitude of it. You still don't understand what you are seeing in front of you. You don't. The other day we discussed it. I told you, normally for every project that we know, okay, Crashilandia or we have a Hackylandia or even the Raccoon. The Raccoon did not get an ecosystem before its smart contract, did it? I don't even know if there is anything in that ecosystem right there as we speak. I think the Raccoon has nothing on it. But yeah, they didn't get anything. But Casper on its own side, okay, Casper already has an ecosystem built. We have talked about this here before many times. Go research KII. Go research KEF. Go research Casplex. Go research Igra Labs. These guys, they already have the ecosystem built before smart contracts even started. They already have the ecosystem, which means that I keep telling you, adoption of Casper is not going to be like everybody know. That loop that you're talking to has been severed. When it comes to Casper, that loop is different because the ecosystem is already there. This price action, those green candles you are chasing on Casper, they are going to be, oh my God. You know what? I just want to, that day is coming. It's not even that far. First stage, August 31st. August 31st, the first layer of smart contracts go live, and you will see. That's why I'm telling you guys, before that day, you are going to see Casper reach probably all-time high. You are going to see it because like you saw those, like the activities like we are talking about, a wallet buying 40 million Casper coins. There is even other orders that are also buying 100,000 Caspers here, 3,000 Casper. The people are buying Casper. Those of them that know exactly where this thing is heading, they are accumulating. And here you are crying about an 8-cent Casper. Make some sense out of it. I mean, like, I'm still kind of lost. You want to be rich. You want that generational wealth. You want to quit this 9 to 5. Yet, you are putting your money on a meme coin. A meme coin that the price target upwards is not guaranteed. You are putting your money in it. You are putting money on a Solana, which again, with the laws and regulations coming out, Solana is a security, right? And I can tell you now, I can tell you right now, listen, if Solana gets caught like XRP got, guess what they're going to do? They are going to print more tokens, sell them to drop that hot potato on you so that they can cover the cost of that. They're now coming out, every coin, oh, ETFs and ETFs and that is some bullshit. I'm telling you right now, it is some bullshit. Because all they're trying to do is attract enough capital in. They're going to make their money and they're going to drop that hot potato on you and move on before the laws and regulations that just passed go live. And you will see. You will see. Somebody talking about Solana to 3,000, man. That is the funniest thing I've read all week. $3,000 based on what exactly? The other one say, oh, XRP to $10,000. I say, Jesus Christ. XRP to $10,000. Guys, even if you put worldwide, all the central banks, their money into XRP, I don't even think it's enough to make XRP to 10,000. But yeah, but that's what people want to hear, right? That is what the green candles is. That's what is in their head. That green candle going up to 10,000. And nobody would bother to sit down and really think, is it possible? Is it possible for it to do that? Nobody will think about it. Here we are again. Everybody and their grandmama, oh yeah, look at it going down, look at this. I told you in my video yesterday, watch macro economy. If you've been following my chart, we have a red line. we have on the Bitcoin chart during my wink moment, we have a red line right there, which I've been pointing for what, weeks now, before it even happened. I've been pointing at that red line, telling you like, guys, yeah, price might be doing good, fine as the way we're going, but pay attention to this red line, right? And then yeah, everybody is saying, oh yeah, you're charting, you're blah blah blah. Everybody has something to complain about. But I mean, I don't really care. I don't really care, to be honest with you. I don't really care because at the end of the day, okay, when we do things at the end of the day, my money is my money. Your money is your money. At the end of the day, you choose to do whatever you want with your money. You are not going to do, excuse me. You're not going to do with your money to benefit me. No, you're doing it to you. My job here is try to point you. Try to point you like, hey, okay, you want to get that wealth, right? You may as well look at Casper right there. See that Casper? You might want to look into there. That's my job. You want to make that money, right? Quanti. Look at Quanti. Quanti right there. Quanti looks shiny and nice. Right? That is my job. You want to make that money. Yeah, it might be a high risk, high rewards, but Cubic. Look at Cubic right there. QQ. Yeah, look at my QQ over there. You might want to do that. Which, by the way, I started telling you that when Cubic was at what, $100 million? Where is it today? See? And they have not even started. I told you guys. The same thing, mentality, people. Everything today is AI. Everything, whether it is true or no, is AI. Trust me. You want to sell something on Amazon today, all you have to do is add AI at the back of that name, and it is gone. Okay, because I might have a Maxi mug, which is nice and simple. Somebody else might have another Maxi mug, but just because they wrote AI beside it, trust me, everybody will want that one. That's what it is. It's just the ship mentality of people. And I keep telling you, Cubic, if they succeed, that will be awesome. But even if they don't succeed, just by mentioning that they are creating an ecosystem with an AI capabilities, that thing is going to run. It's going to run. It's that simple. Now, you want to believe it, great. If you don't want to, I don't know what to tell you. Quant already has the ecosystem. That's why most people don't make sense to them when I tell you, don't just jump into a project just because you want to jump. Do your research. Once you do your research, you follow the development. Follow the development. Look at the ecosystem. Look at what they are building. Ask yourself, is it possible? Can they actually do that? Because trust me, everybody can fly until the day comes when it's time to fly. That is when you know the difference between khaki and leather. They look alike, but they are not the same. You start looking into it. And people are just so fixated into nonsense. I told you, my getting into XRP was a mistake, but a mistake that kind of flew in the right way so far. XRP has been promising cross-border payments and this and that, blah blah blah. Show me, is it happening? Nope. But people FOMO'd in because they heard that. They thought it's possible. They do this and they FOMO'd in, right? Cardano, the raccoon. Oh, we're gonna do an ecosystem with smart contracts that are next thing to the better than the invention of the circle. That's what the raccoon said. Did they deliver? Nope. But everybody and their grandmama, they all ran in there. Oh yeah, the raccoon. Yeah. And guess what they ended up with? With the scratches all over their faces because the raccoon got the raccoon got to work. Scratching everybody's pocket out. Y'all FOMO'd in there, got to $3, they grab that hot potato and scratch it as you. And that's it. Where's the raccoon today? See? Now you start to hear that. I was also why I was laughing this at the start of the video is because this guy was talking about Ethereum is going to do the quantum something, and it's going to have is it 1,000 transactions per second or something like that. But in the next 10 years, not today, not this year, not next tomorrow, 10 years. So I just started laughing about it because if you look at it, Casper is 10 blocks per second right now. Before the end of the year, Casper is going to be 30 blocks per second. And if things go nice, we might even have Dark Knight ready to roll. And we already know Dark Knight is 100 blocks per second. Can you even calculate how many transactions are those? Means before I can even blink, 100 blocks. have gone through. And these guys, they are here hyping innovation. Yay! Oh, over there. I'm telling you, man, people are feeling the heat. People are feeling the heat. And Casper is coming in very, very hot. They are feeling it. First, they did the upgrade of the V, whatever V nonsense they call it. That didn't work, right? And they came up with the next one. It didn't work neither. Solana, the same thing. They came up with one update that didn't even do shit. And you look at BNB, come out with this update that didn't do anything. I'm telling you, they can feel the heat. They can feel the heat. And you are here crying about price action on a coin that has nothing on it yet. I would understand you if the ecosystem was running and, you know, DeFi, TriFi, KEI, Gasplex, if all of them was running and the price was falling down, then yes, I will understand what you are crying about. But nothing on it yet. The reason why Casper is moving right now is because of people who believe in it. Somebody like me, I buy Casper every time. I don't care about the price. But again, people don't think about it that way. And another something that people are not realizing is that Casper mining, the emission schedule, is slowing down. You're about to have that supply shock, because everybody who mined Casper at first, they have been throwing those coins into the market because most people don't believe it will do anything, right? They were selling it. Very soon, those sellers will run out. And it's even going to get more powerful of explosion of price that you don't even expect. Not like Bitcoin. I've been mining Bitcoin since I don't know. I do have them at home. I just let them run over there. Look, just like Casper, I've been mining Bitcoin. I do have those little Gecko Science USB miners, and I have left them at home with my Raspberry Pi. So far, it has with the current price, it has made me 1,400 right here. So far, with the current price. So yeah, it has just been sitting there mining it. Just I don't know. Now imagine those of them mining Casper, because I'm mining Casper right now, and the next on the 14 or the 16, my new KS7 Lite will show up. I will keep on mining Casper, because I'm telling you, that thing is going to make me money. It's going to make me money. People are just not understanding the level of opportunity that you are missing right now. You don't understand it, and it will not make sense until later, because again, everybody and their grandmama, they are stuck to green candles, and those green candles on Casper are going to be epic. when I tell you epic, they are going to be epic. Ecosystem is already, like I said, now they are going to link ecosystem to the project by using smart contract. First legs, Casplex. Igra Lab follows. Then Sparkle. You are going to see it. Each step is going to be an explosion of price. Well, you haven't seen yet. Look at it, okay? Without anything on the coin, on the project, look at the trading volume. Do you imagine what the volume is going to be once this thing starts to go live? You don't imagine. Yet you're looking for that. It is so frustrating sometimes and funny at the same time. Frustrating and funny at the same time. It's like you are standing in the middle of a freshwater lake, yet you have soap in your eyes. Instead of reaching down, wash your face, you are crying, oh, my eyes are burning, I got soap in my eyes. But come on. But you are standing in the middle of a freshwater lake. I mean, like, make some sense out of it. Can anybody even try? I mean, that is the same situation that we are looking at right now. You want to be rich, you want to be wealthy, you want generational wealth, you want to quit, or maybe you want to start your own business, but you need the capital. You have something in front of you that can make that thing happen in a year, or maybe a year and a half, or whatever. Because I'm telling you, for me, even if Casper goes to $10, I'm not selling my Casper. I'm not. Because I know in a year and a half, 2 years, let's just say by the next bull run, don't be surprised to see Casper sitting at $20, $30, or $40. Don't be surprised. You guys are just looking at this right now like as if oh my God. I told you, right? I told you a day is gonna come, 1 hour long. I will be laughing with my maxi mug in hand, blasting music. 1 hour long. And you guys are going to see it. Because then that mentality people have of chasing green candles, okay, they're going to FOMO in, and we are not far away from that. They're going to FOMO in. Just, oh my God, oh my God, it's just so like comical. It's just comical. You're looking for something so hard. You ever seen, like, I've seen my mom does it sometimes. She got her glasses like this, and she's looking for them. Have anybody seen my glasses? Hey, my glasses, like, but they're right there. It's comical. It's the same situation. You want to be rich, you want wealth, you want this, you want to be traveling around the world without worries around. Guess what? Just a few months of suffering, a few months of hodling Casper can take you to that life. Just a few months. But people, they don't see it. They want to go look at Solana. Solana, that, guys, if it gets to $600 in this run, I don't know. I don't know. I told you, pay attention to the macroeconomy, right? If you've been doing that, then you will understand me by now. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. But the truth is that wealth is right under your nose. Pay attention to Casper, Quant, Cubic, and then you can have a question mark on Jasmine. But that wealth is right there. Don't say I didn't warn you, because yeah, I won't feel bad when it starts to happen. Okay? Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay? We have the crypto bubbles right there. And as you can see, okay, Bitcoin has started making a move. Like I told you, that red line, right? We're about to look at it in a second. But anyways, let's start first with our good friend King Kaspa, KAS. For the past hour, 0.3% up, 4.9% down on the day, 8.8% down on the week, 11.6% up on the month, and 57.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.30 billion. You see, despite the price falling, the price is still at the market cap is still at $2.3 billion. So only $500 million trading. Yesterday it was 2.35. See? It's, oh my God. Well, and the volume traded at $111.52 million. You see the volume? It has started to climb. Well, it is up to you, right? You're going to figure out. Trust me, you will. Now, let's go look at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. For the past hour, we're laying flat. On the day, we are down 5.2%, 4.9% down on the week, 3.5% up on the month, and 64.6% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.65 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at excuse me, $29.40 million. That volume is too low. That volume is very low. That should tell you something, okay? Now we're looking at Jasmine, JAS, the Japanese Bitcoin. We have 0.6% up the last hour, 3.2% down on the day, 8.5% down on the week, 22.1% up on the month, and 47.6% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $734.17 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $49.65 million. Again, that also tells you that volume is very low. Okay, now we go look at Cubic. Okay, high risk, high rewards, and we have here 1.4% up the last hour, 1.1% up on the day, 21.9% up on the week, 94.3% up on the month, 56.1% up on the year. You remember when I was telling you, pay attention to that yearly number, right? Look at it now, sitting at the market cap of $324.36 million, okay? And a 24 hours volume traded at $14.59 million. I was telling you guys, and Cubic is just started. If you would have invested in it, you would have 3x your money, because we started talking about it when Cubic was around $99 million market cap. Now it is climbing, right? You're about to see. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay? Now let's go look at the big guy, okay? Bitcoin. See, this is why the market is starting to make a move, because Bitcoin has also started to make a move. We are here 0.3% up the last hour, 2.2% down on the day, 0.2% down on the week, 5.6% up on the month, and 8.7% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.30 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $65.32 billion. Now, many people still don't pay attention to it. Like, one thing you have to understand, even if Bitcoin comes down to, when I was looking at it, it was around 112,000, 113,000. Even if it comes down to that, we are still in that uptrend. Bitcoin is eyeing $130,000. That's the next target. And then probably a month or 2 months from now, $150,000, $160,000. And the odds of closing shops are getting very, very bigger as we speak. As we speak, they're getting bigger. But anyways, yeah, what do I know, right? I'm not your financial advisor. Now, let's go look at prices in details. And we have here our good friend TradingView right there. Let's see what it says with the correlation. We have Dixie going down, Bitcoin going down. Nah, we don't want that. Come on, BT. Come on, BT Coiny. Do something. Do something different. We want an inverse correlation. But anyways, now, if you go check here, we're going to start first with Casper on the 1 hour. Okay, this is why everybody and their grandmama is crying. And again, for me, for me, this is what is funny, because again, on the 1 hourly, I don't trade. This is for day traders, right? For you guys who like day traders analysis, as you can see right now, Casper is retrying exactly what we did yesterday. Okay, yesterday we did this move. You see, it came when it was dumping down. It tried to reclaim that, but again, the news came out about the stock market and all that stuff with Bitcoin and everything, the entire market tumbling. We have this move down here. So again, we are repeating this again. If I'm looking at the ribbon on the hourly, you can see it has started to curve too, right? Started to curve, and that's something that usually tell me that this price action is not as bearish as you think. Because if this was bearish, the continuation will keep on. It will spray like this downwards, okay? Keep on going. But right now we have it here starting to curve, going upwards, okay? If you look about it on the 4 hourly, you will see the same thing. Same thing. First 4 hour candle has started to firm. Now let me zoom this in for you guys for a second. See, when I call them Star Wars candles, those are the candles that are like a reversal candles. Okay, that's what I call them. I don't know. Everybody has their own name for them. Like this one, you see? This candle, I call it Star Wars indecision. Did they want to go up? Did they want to go down? Then it's set in the middle. Next one is a green one, which means now the next one after this, we still have 3 hours 44. Next one after this is going to be a little higher. Again, so another also example you can see is the ribbon. Look at the ribbon. It has started to spray out, right? Normally when it starts to spray, it means it's about to start curving, okay? So give it a little chance and we shall see, okay? So like everybody and their grandmama, they're still panicking right now. But I'm telling you, it's about to be epic, okay? Now, if you go look at it on the daily, what do we have on the daily here? Okay, this is why we was talking about. You guys remember I told you guys we was having that inverse head and shoulder, okay? As you guys can see it here, inverse head and shoulder, and if it plays out, it might go around almost 8 cents. Almost 8 cents, that's what we will be. And we came so far at 8.3. So we still got some room to go down to see if that completes. But hey, everything can change if Bitcoin reverses, which again, it looks like Bitcoin, if you go look at the Bollinger Bands, they are tightening out. You look at the MACD and the RSI on Bitcoin, yeah, I think it's severely oversold. So yeah, keep paying attention to that. If you look at it on the weekly, here we go. On the weekly, that's why again, I keep telling you, I don't think it's going to go low. Because as you can see, Look at each candle of the week. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then look at the ribbon. See, ribbon is curving. So yeah, I think it's a trap. You are getting baited right now. You are getting baited. I told you yesterday, if Casper crosses 11 cents, there is almost 19 to 20 million dollars worth of liquidation that will be taken out. So I think that's the setting. That's what they're doing right now. They're still baiting you, and then that thing will just jump up like crazy. Price targets are still the same. For me, I'm still looking at 12 cents as the major resistance. Then you have 15 cents. After that, 18 cents. After that, 19 or 20 cents. And then after that, we get into all-time highs. Then price discovery. That's what we're looking at right now. Now, let's go look at our good friend Quant, QNT. What do we have going on here? Oh, wow. Look at that. That's the hourly. Wow. Casper is moving. Yep. Anyways, let's go look at Quant, QNT. QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. I told you guys, we have a major resistance at the 125. Those of you who paid attention to it, congratulations, okay? So yeah, but for me, I wouldn't short Quant. I wouldn't do it. Trust me, when I'm telling you I wouldn't do it, it's because, one, Bitcoin is showing sign of bullish momentum. It's showing that sign. And like I told you, we still got 2 months. Like I told you, July, August, maybe September. So we still have 2 months left to see what's going to happen to the market. And in those 2 months, you are going to see prices that you never expected to happen. So yeah, right now, ribbon still looks bearish. That because ribbon is falling out. It's not showing signs of curving yet. And if you look, let's see on the 4 hour, what do we have right here? And 4 hours, it doesn't know what it wants to do. Let's go here. It broke up. We got rejected. Like I told you, 125, and now it's coming back to retry. Okay, the previous support was around 110. That's what the previous support was. But yeah, let's pay attention to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to determine a lot. If you look at it on the daily, this is why I'm telling you that, guys, I am not bearish on Quant. I am not bearish on Quant. Because right now, let me bring my arrow out. What it did is just a formal retesting, just like it did here and here. Okay, this was a support. See, look at that. This was a support. It went up, came back to support. Every asset does this. It breaks out, confirms support, then goes up. Now look at the ribbon, still going up, green, and look at the moving average, still going up and green. It's okay. Okay, so what we're about to see now, the odds of it going to retest that $125 are very high, because that's what's going to happen. It's going to go up to retry it this time. Let's see if it breaks it or if it gets rejected and come back down again. But now, people who are very bearish, I'm very sorry for you guys, because you're about to get a reality check. That's what's about to happen. If you look at it on the weekly, then you will see the same thing I'm telling you. Look at that ribbon going up, full mode, right? If you don't see it, let me zoom it out for you. See? Look at that ribbon going up, full mode. Candles, higher lows, higher highs, higher. Look at that. Guys, the target is $125. After that, we do have 151. After that, we do have 164. Then 176. If we conquer that one, the next target is going to be 230, and then all-time highs and into price discovery. Quant is following the plan. There's nothing wrong with taking a breather. But yeah, you are going to see people cry about it. But okay, that's their problem. Okay, not mine. Anyways, now, if you go, we're going to skip Jasmine. We just go straight into the big guy, the orange guy. Okay, BTC, USDT, and we're going to grab this one. So yeah, this is what I was telling you guys. If you've been following my channel, I gave you this red line, didn't I? I told you pay attention to Friday, August the 1st, right? And I told you, like, yeah, even though prices are going good, once we get there, pay attention to it, because these tariffs, the macroeconomy is depicting something. And that, my friends, this is why the entire crypto failed. Entire crypto fell down to the lows because this happened. But the good thing we can see right here is that we are bouncing off the moving average. Okay, so this right here was just a fake out. This was just a fake out because everybody was like, yeah, we're going to see what the tariffs with China and the rest of them are going to do, blah, blah, blah. And all of a sudden, yeah, it was just panic selling. Nothing more, nothing less. But now, the good news here is that we have crossed my red line. The price have done what it's supposed to do. Now we are looking forward to the price going up where we are supposed to go. Because again, if you can see it, actually, let's go here. Actually, after we pass my green line, okay, look at it. It looks like we've been going sideways. People were anticipating this August 1st. So right now we've passed that. Next thing you're about to start to see is Bitcoin start to go up towards that $130,000. That's what's about to start happening. So yeah, I don't really feel that bad about people who don't have that patience. But yeah, it is happening, and be patient. The next green line is going to be here, August 18, which now you have a green line in between a green line. So yeah, I'm expecting on August the 18th price to keep on running even higher, because I'm telling you, the funny thing here is that even though you're not paying attention, it's happening. Macroeconomy. I told you, 2 out of my 5 indicators, they have gone clean. 2 of them. So yeah, we're about to see. Pay attention to July, August, maybe September. We're about to see. Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go check my positions. I know a lot of people are talking about Reg City, which again is so funny to be, okay? Reg City. But before we do that, guys, please do not get into leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, okay? Don't do that. Just stick to spot trading. But if you want to learn how to trade, you want to try it out, you want to do that, guys, down below I do have Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Wix Exchange. Follow those links, sign up, meet their deposit requirements. Once you do, they are going to give you money in thousands. You get the money, don't rush, guys. Take your $50 or $100 out and practice, guys. Please practice. I cannot teach you how to trade. I gave you a little bit of a cheat code earlier. You can use that. But guys, you need to practice. If you don't practice, you're going to lose all your money and you will become the mayor of Reg City. Don't say I did not warn you. Okay? Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions. First, we're going to start with my Bydfi. There, you guys know I'm trading King Casper, and I'm also trading Quant. See, that's my graph under. You see how it is going up slowly? It is going. We're not in a hurry. Let's refresh this. See where we are. Today we are up $13,700. If you look at the positions, oh yeah, Casper is taking off again, 8.7, almost 9 cents. Okay, we have here Casper. I'm still down 53%, which is $4,800. On my Quant, I am up 14%, which is $1,400 approximately. If you want, you can pause the video and then look at my number if that's what you want to do. Now let's go to the next one, which is Phemex. Here, you guys know I am trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin. Let's refresh this. Okay, my overall today, I am up $8,500. Now, if you look at the contracts, let's see. On Jasmine, I am still down 71%, which is $7,800. And on Kaspa, I am just breaking even, which is 1%, which is $70. Yeah. Anyways, now let's go look at last but not the least. We have the Wix Exchange. On the Wix, you guys know I am trading King Casper and I'm using Quant in a competition. Let's refresh this right quick. There you go. As you can see, look at the graph down. We are going up. So yeah, it is a matter of being patient. As time comes by, we're going to see. Okay, but anyways, I am up today $6,000. Now if you go into my contracts, you will see that here. Check first on my Quant. On my Quant position, I am up $2,300, and on my Casper position, I am up $252. I don't know why they put this ROI. Can I change? I do not like that ROI thing, just like the normal percentage. Anyways, yeah, if anybody knows how to switch these things back to the normal view, please let me know in the comments below. But so far, you guys can see you can pause it and you can look at it if that's what you wish to do. Okay, but anyways, yeah, everything is going normal for me. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not chasing green candles. I know what I want, and that's what it's going to be. Yeah, anyways, guys, thank you very much for being part of today's video. I'm planning of doing a live stream very soon. I'll let you guys know. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow we should do one at this time of the day, something like that. Instead of uploading a normal video, I think we should do one like this. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I see a lot of people watching these videos, but you're not putting a like on them. Come on, guys. Just put a like on it. It doesn't cost you anything, all right? And also don't forget to share so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. You never know what you're going to learn from a stranger. I'm telling you, you never know. That being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please, you got to know what you want. Don't chase green candles. Bye-bye.